That hopefully means you guys
Okay, we're taking off here on Steel Vengeance, the new roller coaster at Cedar Point, but it's not really new, is it?
Well, not totally new. It's been reconstructed from the old Main Street, one of our old former favorites, which sort of fell on hard times.
Well, but it's got the new sweet RMC steel track now and a couple of moments of airtime before we even get to the lift.
So now we're going up the lift hill, and you know what we're going to do, Rob? We are going to break 10 world records on this roller coaster at one time.
And one of them being the foggiest roller coaster ride that I think I've ever had.
When we got to the top of the lift hill, I think we were above the cloud line.
Normally, this would be a really great view. You could see all of the park off to one side. You could see, Lake Erie off to the other side. But right now, we're just kind of pointing at nothing. But it's a really steep lift hill. It takes a while, and then, oh my gosh, this is like the steepest thing ever.
And then we're getting ready to go down, and we're going down.
I'm just holding on for dear life at this point. This is crazy.
Down 90 degrees.
Okay, let's count the number of times your hood comes up on this whole thing, because that's an indication of the air time. I mean, this is ridiculous at this point. I mean, how much time are we spending out of our seats? Why did they even spend money on the seats here?
Not that much, but if you
First inversion. Oh, this is just crazy. This is absolutely nuts. I'm screaming here. Hey, look at what we're doing now. Now they're crazy. Hey, you're out of their seat more than you're in on this roller coaster. It's absolutely insane.
And then as it starts to work its way inside, here we're on the first brake run, which doesn't even last very long, and then we're diving back into the coaster.
Straight back into the thing. And you're spending so much time really in the interior of the coaster, too. Just nuts.
You have lots and lots of head chopper moments where you think you're going to lose your head from the steel supports inside.
Yeah, the reverse video doesn't give you the sense of just how close things feel.
It's the seats, the restraints are unusual. They keep you feeling really secure in the seat, but you have so much upper body freedom that you can feel.
There it goes again. Keep counting the hood. There it goes another time. And just keep throwing it in, throwing it in, throwing it in. It's absolutely insane. And how many little airtime moments are we just getting here as we're coming back to the station?
We're still throwing more in there.
Wow, that was amazing. Worthy successor to Main Street?
Absolutely. I'm calling it the best roller coaster in the world.
Strong, but a lot of support for that. So,
And I'm Jim Peel.
Thanks for riding with us.